guys, after the long wait, after the very long wait, at long last, our surprise is here. We are coming to you live from Nairobi City in an undisclosed location. Follow me, guys, as we go in. We are going into Savo store here in Nairobi Vision Plaza. Indeed, it's been a long wait. Been waiting for this. We're very excited, and we'll be doing unboxing today for you to see what we have for you guys. So welcome to Savo store here in Vision Plaza. How I came to know about them is after a lot of frustrations on shipping in our secret equipment. I got a referral from a friend of mine who imports items from the US. So I went ahead and shopped for this item at the Amazon website and shipped. And apparently it was here 7 days ago. I didn't check my email. So today we're here at our store to do our collections. Let's see what they are for us. And guys, here is our package that is being packaged by Savo. Let's see what we have in here. Nice. And we are home at last with our Presley package, guys. So, I don't know. How do we open this thing? It says fragile. Fragile, handle with care. Thank you. So, follow me, guys, as we unbox this jewel, guys. So, I am prepared. Let me get everything here before we start. I don't want to go back and forth. So, allow me to bring my tools of trade. We are ready. Everything required. So let me open everything so that we are good to go. Yes, all our tools are there in case we need anything else. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. All that. Should we need that to use that? Okay, so join me, guys, as we see what has come all the way from the USA. All right, what do we have here? So what do we use? Okay, let's go on. So, okay, guys, so let's go. Guys, so one. Okay. All right. Whoa. Ta-da, guys. So we have our DJI Osmo Action 4 fully padded. Ooh. Okay, let's get these out of the way, guys. So, wow, this is good news. Wow. Very good packaging, guys. So let's see. This is also out of the way. Okay. Wow, guys. So welcome to our DJI Osmo Action 4. So before even we open this package that we've procured for you guys, so I did a little research on YouTube, on the web, and decided to buy this action camera, Action 4. Did a lot of comparing. I was to buy a GoPro 12. So I hope it's a good bet. We'll open together and see what is in here. Let's go, guys. Okay, so as you can see, it's sealed. Comes with a paper. It makes it waterproof. Let's see what we have here. So where do we cut here, guys? So wow, this is a handle, camera handle. Okay, so this is like, wow, what? This is 1.5 meters long. This is interesting, guys. Okay, so in the packaging, let's go back to this. What is inside here? 1.5 meter extension rod. So this is extension rod for swinging the camera. Very nice grip, rubber grip over here. I think there's a provision for doing, let's say, a band in case your camera gets snatched. So there's a band for hooking it to your hand. So this check, there's 1.5 meter extension rod, done. Let's go to accessories. We'll keep the camera as the last one. So for your information, I bought it's called Adventure Combo. I wanted more battery life for vlogging, and yeah, I don't want to be going back and forth to do the charging. So let's go to the accessories and see. Wow, silica gel. So here we have the Type C. Let's go in here and see. There was Type C PD cable, USB, done. There was adhesive. Is it adapter mount or something? Let's open and see. Let's open and see. Okay. This looks like the mounting, guys. Adapter mount, check. So let's put over here so that you can have a look at them. Adapter mount. Looks like these are the batteries. Okay. Wow. More batteries, guys. Let's see where does it open. Yeah, let's go. Wow. What a beauty. Batteries. Let's see what's inside here. 3 batteries, guys. 3 batteries. 1, 2, 3. I think it has some battery on it, but it's yellow, so we'll try and charge it later and see what you have. Wow, that's fancy. Just hear that. Oh yeah. So this is the battery case. Let's get that out of our way. Let's go now to the camera over here. Ta-da! Wow. Here's the camera, guys. Sealed. Let's first go through the other things. This will be the last guy. Wow. I was looking for this, guys. So this is the protective frame. Huh. So many things inside here. Protective frame. Wow, this is interesting. It has a power button provision here. Power, I don't know, just open and see. So, what are these? Okay. Locking screws. I think it's for this over here. Okay. More accessories, guys, over here. Let's see. So, looks like we have 2 adapters. I don't know. This is a shorter one, longer one. Oh, it's magnetic. We'll see where it goes. So this is the adhesive, curved adhesive. This is the curved adhesive base, probably for putting it in your helmet if you'll be riding my bicycle or motorbike. So that's out of our way. So we get to see what these are for. Now to the big one, guys. So let's now go to our camera. We're being very careful here. Being very careful. Before we don't want to drop it today. Wow. That is called unboxing, guys. So this is our camera. Oh. Okay, let's turn power it on. I don't know if there's any battery here. Let's see. I know it opens. So let's see, how do we open this? Aha. No battery, guys. So there's no battery. Let's insert one of the batteries that comes on this battery case. So let's go. I just like that. It's so fancy. Okay. let's see, how do we power this baby up? So as you can see, this is the battery. There's some contacts over here, but mesh with that contact over there. So let's drop it in. Wow, just like that. So let's try and power it on. Choose the language. Guys, allow me to read the manual before we continue. Guys, we'll configure the camera and then check the final video with this unit. Hi everyone, shooting with our DJI Action 4. Just bought some memory card. Been looking for this for a while, guys. It's crazy. DJI doesn't use any memory card. It uses the Extreme Pro micro SDXC UHS card with adapter. Yeah, been looking for this for a while. I got a good friend who really helped me, and now we're rolling, guys. So this is the first shot of the DJI, and with that, thank you for your support and look forward to many more. Please subscribe, please support us, and enjoy the good content, guys. Enjoy.